Cheers everybody, welcome to another food review, and in this one we have got um, chicken ramen flavour Kabuto noodles. Now this was picked up from, I think she picked it up from Tesco. So I've poured the hot water in and let it settle, like it says. It says Kabuto noodles are prepared with skill, dedication, discipline to bring you delicious, authentic Asian flavours using only quality ingredients. That's what it says on the back there. One who knows others is wise, one who knows noodles is enlightened. So they're giving me different ways to do this. I can have it in this, um, or I could stir it and put it in a bowl. It says to filter this line, which I think I've got it more or less bang on. It's on the outside and there's no line on the inside, so it's very much. And I've got a spoon instead of a fork, so who knows what it looks like. But what I'll do is I'll show you what it looks like inside the pot. This is what it looks like inside the pot. As you can see, thin noodles with stock and herbs and flavour. Looks okay though. I mean, some of the noodles I've had before, Japanese noodles, it's Japanese noodles in it before I dig myself a bit of a hole. There's a pack of it anyway. It says country of origin UK, but it's not saying exactly where. Serving suggestions with egg. It's got the. I'm a big fan of this type of food. I really am. So there you go. So the weather, to be honest, is pretty shit today. So let's give it a go, shall we? And I've got a spoon, which doesn't help. Doesn't help. So as you can see, let's go with. Not much of a mouthful there. Apologise. What I like about this, slightly spicy, slightly herbaceous. What I like about this is that you can use it with other bits, other foods. So you could use it with pork or beef. Go well with this. Um, the texture of the noodles, even though it's a bit stringy, goes well. It really does. Spill a little bit. The thing is, when you have these pot noodles, a bit of spice that's coming through, definitely. And I think it would go well with red meat. If you put this with red meat, it go really well. Um, and of course, when you do these, of course, you're putting hot water in. It takes ages for it to you know, cool down for you enough to eat. But I have to say, this could go with an array of different meats, different sauces. I mean, it's great on its own, but as you can see, it's got the serving suggestion of egg, and yeah, I can see it. Do pick up the chicken itself is hidden behind all that spiciness, but it's great. It really is. what I think of it, it's good gear. It's nice. It's nice. Nice, easy, easy stuff. It's a hint of spiciness, but I think you need a main meat to go with. Like I say, even though this says chicken, you could go with a beef or a pork for me. So, chicken main flavour, Kabuto noodles. Gets a thumbs up. It's cracking. See you in the next one. Bye bye.